Good day, guys. Bing here. Today we're going to try to model these panels. Okay, so let's do it. So first, let's create a conceptual mass. And okay, so let's we're going to use pattern-based family. So of course we need a mass first. So first, I'm going to create this. So it looks like a flat face. It looks like a flat, but it will be even it's not flat. It's slanted or even curved. Should be the same. Okay, so I'm just going to create a reference line on work plane. So I'm going to draw this reference line onto the vertical. So this one. Work plane. So draw on work plane, set work plane, pick this work plane first, and then so we can just draw two. So first a horizontal one, and then another one will be something like this. Okay, so it's on an angle. Okay, good. So now we can select these two and create a form. And then you have three different options. So these two are revolves if they are in the generic model, and this one is just what is this one? Just a flat face. Okay, so surface. So this is it, and so we can still adjust the panels, the length of the line and the direction of the line. So okay, so that's it. And then select this surface and divide it surface. And now you can see it's actually on the angle, the grids on the angle. So align with this one. So I think so. Maybe we can just find the angle. So 20 degrees. So select this pattern. Click on this top in 20 degree. That's it. And then we're going to just adjust the number or the spacing. Okay, so maybe I'll use maximum spacing, maybe 3 meter. That's okay. So that's vertical. So that's 3. Let's change it to 1 meter and change this horizontal to 3 meter. That's a lot of panel, but that's fine. Okay, so this is it, the panels, and then so we need to create a pattern-based family and apply it on this divided surface. So let's go file, new, family. So let's create a curtain panel pattern based, and I'm just going to create a form. Pick the solid. Maybe I'll just make it 100 mil. Oh, that's 1 meter. 100 mil, and that's it. So, and also we can add a material parameter. So material. Okay, material. And let me think. Should I use instance? I think we'll use instance. So it will be. I think it will be easier for us to randomize the material. So now we can load this into this, select this divided surface, and we can pick that panel we just did. And so just this will take a few seconds, and then these are the panel. Okay, so now these are pattern-based family. So actually, at first I was trying to use Dynamo to create these openings. So it's a little bit, if it's all uniform on this face, it will be quite easy. But it seems there's solid here, so it's probably between ceiling and floors. these are all, most of these panels are solid. So it's a little bit hard to do that, I think. So I figured, so maybe, so for example, if we can just do this. So first select one panel, okay? So in the IC, if we type IC isolate category, so it will be easier for us to, so now on this screen, on the screen, there's only curtain panel. There's no divided surface or any reference lines. So it's easier. So now we can just simply control and select. So I think it's probably easier and faster to do it this way. Just pick the panel. So for example, these and the delete. So you can just press delete on your keyboard, and we can just delete the panel. So let's do it again. So imagine that's another level up here. Just pick. So I think it's actually not a bad idea, because it's easier, and it's oh, hang on, what's going on here? Did I just, I think I clicked on something. Anyway, delete. So yeah, I think this is not a bad idea. Okay, so that's it. So this is it, and then we need some different color. Okay, so this will be, I think it will be easier to use Dynamo. So let's just hang on, let me just add some more opening there. Okay, delete. And okay, so before we do the Dynamo, we need to add some material. So go to material, new, create new. I'm going to name it. So maybe call it A1. Okay, A1, duplicate A2, and duplicate A3. So now we have 3 different material. So A1, I'll use the default 120, 120, 120 gray. A2, maybe a lighter. A3, maybe even maybe this one. And okay, so now we have A1, A2, A3, 3 different materials. And then we can go to manage, okay, manage Dynamo. So, and this will be very, very simple. So basically just set parameter by name. So new, and first I want to change the manual, Revit selection, or family type, and family type. Okay, so family type, under family type, you should be able to find the pattern-based family. So link this. If I click on run, so you will find out how many panel we have, 1000. And then we just right click, set a parameter by name. Okay, and link this parameter name. It needs to match the parameter name. So if I select one of the panel, so and see, capital M. Okay, so and then link this to parameter name, value. So value, be careful. Value, it's not just text, it's a material. So first, so just double click. So we know the name. So that we can do this. We can just type A2 and A3. Okay, so now these are the 3. And then I'll just create a list. Okay, link. So this is a list with 3, and of course that 3 is not enough, so we need 1700. So we need to time it by 600. Okay, so time cycle. Okay, list this 600. 600 will give us 1000 800, and then cycle, and then shuffle. So make it random, just randomize it, and then we need to. So this is still text. Okay, so if you apply this to this, it won't work. So we need to material by name. Select material from, I think, get material name. I think that should be this one. So this is a name connect to this, which is a text. And if I click on run, so this time it should give us. So see, these are the material, and I link this to this, run, and this should, now we have this, and it's yeah. So you can see that's so empty panels, empty, and also these. Yeah, I think that's it. So let me just, yeah, basically this is it. And also let me try see if we can. I'll just quickly use spline through points. So which means we don't HR. I'm going to use spline through points, so we don't need to pick work plan. So hang on, let me just pick this level first, and then create spline through point. Oh, wrong one, sorry. Reference spline through points, and I'll just do a very small one. Okay, so and I'll copy that up, and then this doesn't need to be in one work plan, so it will make the surface a little bit curved. So you'll see it's a little curved. So I'll see if this works or not. So yeah, all good. And then change this to this. Okay, good. And see if, yeah, we can still delete some of the panel. Maybe I'll delete this one. And then I'll run that Dynamo. Hang on, where's my Dynamo? Here. Run again. Go back. Yeah, so it also works. Okay, and that's it. Let me just Control Z to bring back that big panel. And if you have any idea how we can use Dynamo to create these, please let me know. So yeah, it's a little bit, I think we can do that, but it would be quite complicated. For example, you need to set from what height the panel, maybe we need to, I think we need to bring the height or the level of the panels, and then use the property of the height, and then set a certain level from maybe from 5 meter to 10 meter, and then delete those panels. I mean, delete part of panels. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.